Hey, what's up, Green Team? In this episode of the OnGreenShow, we take a look at the first custom figure I ever did, a retro Leonardo. That was like 2016, I think. But no turtle should go without a brother. I'm gonna paint this Donnie to look like that, and he's gonna have a friend. It's gonna be dope. It's nice to have friends. I start off, I'm covering him totally with brown shoe polish. It works as a brown wash. I learned the shoe polish trick from Cosplay Chris. He's a popular YouTube person. So I let that dry. It's not doing much. I put a little more, let it dry. Even if you don't see it, it's leaving a little bit of film that'll help the rest of the layers stick a little better. Alright, so that didn't work. I got a darker brown, but that brown was no good. So I'm just skipping straight to the black wash. It's just black acrylic mixed with water. Just covering them totally. Leave it a bit and wipe it off, and put some more and wipe it off. Drink some coffee. Put some more, wipe it off. Just touch up. Leo had a little bit of super glue white in his hands, so I gave it a little black to hide it. I'm painting the grip on the bow staff black now. Just a cheap black acrylic. Alright, doing the front with the black wash. Now you'll start to see some of those details pop out. I'm gonna bring in some brown, I don't know, darker brown. Hitting up his knee pads, his bow staff, belt, and just lightly. A little more wash on his feet because they're dirty. Alright. Now this is a cinnamon brown. It's lighter. I'm just gonna almost dry brush over top of his pads and his bow staff to add a little more definition. And then I'm going to take some of that cinnamon brown and darken his chest a bit. Oh, I did that, I guess. Now it's clear coat acrylic matte. A little black touch up. And it is done. A retro classic comic book Don to go with Leo. It's always good for turtles to have friends. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Peace.